This is gonna... Ah! It just started gurgling when Steve left. We're here, week 3. I'm not gonna say what we're doing. We're just gonna do something because I really don't have a specific plan. So let's just get going. Steve's investigating what this tube is. So he's pouring water upstairs while I sit here and see if it comes out the other end.
What are you talking about? I'm trying to figure out what that pipe is. Like, why is it there?
I don't know.
I don't think it's to the vent. It's weird. It looks like it. Is it
this
from
black thing, right?
Yeah, that black thing comes from the wall. So something's coming down from the wall, and then using this drain P-trap as a thing. Oh look, there's water dripping. There's water dripping right now.
It's been dripping though, the whole time. Like it was dripping, but nothing like poured out.
Is it the toilet?
It just like sprays out.
It's like in Jurassic Park. You get it? You pull it out, you get the little dinosaur eggs. Bloop. Nobody knows.
Oh my gosh. What is happening? It just started gurgling when Steve left. Where's that coming from? A big factor in taking apart things is knowing how they go together, which I don't know how this goes together. This is gonna... I knew it. So smart. So good at this. There we go. Wow, okay. This is the kind of stuff, let me show you right here. This is the kind of stuff that as an amateur gives me confidence. Because if professionals would do this, I can at least do this good. Okay, this is a piece of trim with a glob of construction adhesive. Another one, just a two actually. Two. Oh my gosh. This place is crazy. There's boards not attached. There's Coke cans. You guys, look in here. There's a Coke can, and this board with... I'm yours. So, I'm just gonna show you the before and after. Look at this place. I feel so good about this. I took all of this out by myself, which feels like a big accomplishment. Finally got all the baseboards out. I keep thinking they're all gone and then they're not. So I left one light bulb in there so I can kind of see. So now it's cleaning. Why do I feel like today I got more done than in the last like 6 days combined? I don't think I did, but the half bath is completely demoed, cleared out. The master bath is on the way. I just need Steve's help to disconnect the like tub and shower, and then that'll be moving. We found like a cord there. I don't know about that. We'll get there when we get there, but I'm so thankful I didn't take down this wall yet. There's something just keeping me from tearing it down, and I'm pretty sure this would have maybe not collapsed, but it wouldn't have been a good thing if I had removed it. So I'm glad it's still there, and I'm gonna rebuild that wall maybe a little bit smaller if I can. So we'll do that next time. See you in a couple days. I drove all the way to a faraway Home Depot to get a base cabinet that is the size I need. But it's literally up here, like the highest possible shelf, like 30 feet in the air, which obviously I'm not getting it. I have to ask someone to get it. But now I'm rethinking, should I get a smaller one? And then I didn't have to drive here if I get the smaller one. Here's the thing. If I get the smaller one, I don't have an option to do what I was potentially thinking of doing, which is putting the microwave in the cabinets. If I get a smaller one, I can't do that at all. It just like eliminates that as an option. Now I'm at the second hardware store. Yes, I went to Home Depot and then Lowe's. We don't play favorites around here. One had one thing, another had another. So I'm waiting for another person to help me get something down off the very top shelf. Wait, where is it? Up there. I hate this. This is gonna take forever. I should have ordered it and then just come when it was ready. Okay, I made it home with both cabinets. One's inside. This says team lift, but I don't have a team. I'm the team. Your girl's the team. So the neighbor saw me rolling out the carpet, trying to get this cabinet in here, and he helped me bring it in. So, thank you, good people. So it's all in here. I can measure for doors and everything. I gotta get this place cleaned up a little bit more, but yay! So you just look up like the walkway distance you need for an island, like around the island, in the kitchen, behind bar stools and things like that. And so that's why, or how I'm deciding where to place these. I'm gonna take my tape measure, and then I think it said like 42 inches. So this is 42 inches from cabinet to cabinet. Push this back. It'll obviously be hard to tell with this stuff here, but we'll do our best. Here's an example of something just working out beautifully. So I stood back to look at the cabinets. Okay, this still has to go away, but look how that lines up perfectly with those doors. Beautiful. But there will be a counter that goes that way, so it won't be as perfect, but just give it to me. Like, I got excited about it. But I have an idea. I kind of love this. I just stacked it there for visual and to have it all together. But what if I did like a built-in cabinet and then stack two? But if I stack two, then I don't think we have enough uppers to do upstairs in the laundry room. So I guess I need to take them up there and see how they fit. Ideas are flowing now because I freaking love this, and I think it makes it look more purposeful and not like a mistake that this cabinet is so much lower, because it looks like a built-in instead of trying to match the height of these. But now I have an idea for the laundry room, because that takes away a cabinet from the laundry room. But I have an idea. Okay, we gotta go.